Hello, and welcome to another Trotec featured application video. Today we are making a plaque using TroLase Thins in a brushed gold finish. Let's start by removing the protective film and focusing on the material. In Ruby, we will upload our design. You can make any adjustments to the text right in Ruby, and then create a job. Next, align your design, select your material, and push the job to the laser. TroLase Thins are available in a matte non-glare, gloss, or brushed metallic looking finish. The metallic finish is a cost-friendly alternative to metal that can be easily laser processed with a CO2 laser. When the laser finishes, wipe off the material, remove the film from the adhesive backing, and place the TroLase onto a wooden plaque. We got this plaque from JDS. Now you are ready to present your award. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun applications. We'll see you next time.